All right, so we are in our medium-sized conference room, and you can see that we not only have one smart spider, but we have two. So I'm going to continue to walk around the room. I'll give you a few fun facts about the smart spider. So fun fact number one, you can actually daisy chain up to 15 smart spiders to cover any size room you want, which is really cool. All right, so I'm now at the back end of the room. You can hear that I'm talking in a normal voice. I'm not screaming to be picked up, and these spiders are picking me up very well from all the way at the edge of the room. Now we're going to move on. Fun fact about the smart spider number two, it can also be ceiling mounted. So if you want a clutter-free work environment, you don't want anything on the table, you can just pop those guys up on the ceiling and continue your meeting and business as usual. All right, so now we are at the other end of that table. And again, I'm being picked up by the other smart spider. And as you can hear, still in my normal voice, because nobody likes somebody who's either whispering or screaming on a call. All right, guys, that will conclude our audio demo of the smart spider in our medium-sized conference room. So thank you so much for stopping by, but right now I gotta go hop on a call. So I'll see you guys later.